The balloon rocket, exploring Newton's third law in action. Have you ever wondered what makes rockets soar into the sky? It all traces back to Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Today, we'll bring this principle to life with a simple and exciting balloon rocket experiment. Newton's third law describes how forces work. When you exert a force in one direction, an equal force pushes back in the opposite direction. This is the secret behind rocket propulsion, and you don't need NASA's budget to test it. Instead, we'll use an everyday balloon to showcase this law in action. Let's get hands-on. Inflate a balloon, but don't tie it. Attach it to a string threaded through a straw to create a guided rocket. Release the balloon, and you'll see it zip along the string. The escaping air acts as the action force, while the balloon's motion is the opposite reaction. As air rapidly escapes, it pushes against the balloon's walls. This propulsion creates the forward force that moves the balloon. The principle is the same for real rockets, where expelled gases propel them skyward. A simple balloon can teach us a fundamental concept used in advanced space travel. From cars and jet engines to space exploration, Newton's third law drives innovation. Understanding this concept connects us to groundbreaking engineering. Even nature follows this rule. Think about the recoil you feel when swimming. Science truly shapes our world in fascinating ways. Ready to launch? Get creative with your own balloon rocket and see science in action. Share your results and insights from this experiment in the comments or with friends. Subscribe to our channel for more simple, yet mind-blowing demonstrations. Dive deeper into science. Let curiosity propel you forward.